Linux Academy. In this video I'm going to show you Git branching related question and answers. First question, what is branching? Every VCS version control system has some form of branching support. Branching means you diverge from the main line of development and continue to do work without messing with that main line. In many version control tools, this is a somewhat expensive process, often requiring you to create a new copy of your source code directory, which can take a long time for large projects. Then the way Git branches is incredibly lightweight, making branching operations nearly instantaneous, and switching back and forth between branches generally just as fast. Unlike many other version control systems, Git encourages workflows that branch and merge often, even multiple times in a day. Next question. Which is a default branch in Git? The default branch name in Git is master. Next question, what happens when you create a new branch? When we create a new branch, a new pointer to move around. Next question, how does Git know what branch you are currently on? It keeps a special pointer called head. In Git, this is a pointer to the local branch you are currently on. The git branch command only creates a new branch. It did not switch to that branch. You can easily see this by running a simple git log command that shows you where the branch pointers are pointing. Git log does not show all the branches at the time. Git log will show commit history below the branch you have checked out. How to switch branches? Just give by command git checkout branch name command. We can switch from one branch to another branch. To switch branches, the branch should be existing branch. Next question. Switching branches changes the files in your working directory. When you switch branches in Git, files in your working directory will change. If you switch to an older branch, your working directory will be reverted to look like it did the last time you committed on that branch. How will you create a new branch and switching to it at the same time? You can give a single command. We can create a new branch. You can move to that branch using by git checkout -b new branch name. From Git version 2.23 onwards, we can use git switched instead of git checkout to switch to an existing branch. Git switch branch name, create a new branch and switch to it. Git switch -c new branch. The -c flag stands for create. You can also use the full flag $create. Third point, return to your previously checked out branch. Git switch, just give a hyphen. It will go to previous branch. These 3 points implemented after Git version 2.23 version onwards. These are the today's questions. I gave here simple Git branch related question and answers here. Please note down and read carefully and understood. Subscribe my channel for further videos. See you in next video. Thank you.